Good morning, students. So, in last class, we have discussed about operating systems and different types of operating system. Okay. So, in today's class, we will be discussing about the open source operating system. Okay. See, open source operating system means the source code of the open source operating system is made available to everyone. Okay. So, each and everyone that knows coding can modify this source code according to their will and make their own operating system. Okay. Based on this source code. Okay, so see, as the name suggests, the code of the open source software is open to everybody. Okay, we can do anything with the software, including modifying and sharing it. Okay, we can modify the source code and you can share it. Okay, now see, what is the example? See, Linux is an example of open source operating system. Okay, it was first conceived by computer expert Linus Torvalds. Okay, so the name of the computer expert is Linus Torvalds. Okay, so even Android is also an open source operating system that you use in your phones. Okay, so you can also modify Android according to your taste. Okay, see, Linus Torvalds, and then develop with the inputs from all other people from the world. So other people, other also computer expert, other computer experts also contributed to this open source operating system, and they start developing new types of operating system. Okay, think and share, you will read this in your uh, home. Now we'll discuss about utility programs. Okay, see, utility programs, the utility programs are designed to do certain tasks. Okay, so what to say that see, if you want to do certain tasks, okay, in a computer, but you don't have the particular software for it, means the default software is not available, so you have to use a utility software. Suppose example, antivirus software, disk manager, like this. Okay, so these are the utility programs. See, utility programs are usually supplied along with the operating system. Sometimes it is supplied, sometimes not. Okay, they are used to carry out routine tasks. Okay, utility programs are used to carry out routine tasks that are often needed by a user, such as, see, they are used to carry out routine tasks that are often needed by a user, such as compressing a file and save space on backing up the storage. Okay, so you have seen rar file and zip files. So we can use winrar or winzip or 7-zip to use. Okay, see, compression, file compression program is comes under what, utility program. Then defragmenting a disk. Okay, sometimes you need to defragment your disks. Okay, then formatting a floppy disk, recovering data from damaged files. Okay, backup software, checking a disk faults or repairing them. Okay, it's similar, one software can do that, this utility software. I think this checking this, I think easy us, the name of the software is easy sus. Okay, easy us or something like that, that is used to repair the disk. Okay, now see, number last point is checking the files on your disk of a computer virus. So this is a what, antivirus program. Okay, so class, you will learn this sum of topics. This contains very important topics. Okay, so you will learn this at home. Okay, now we will come to the next slide, filling the blanks. Okay, see, those who have got your book, you can write in book. Okay, and those who have not got your book, okay, you have to write this in copy. I am giving out the answers. Okay, see, dash are programs used to carry out routine tasks that are often needed by the user. Okay, so these are the programs. See, programs. Okay, these are the programs used to carry out routine tasks that are often needed by a user. Okay, the answer is what, utilities. Okay, utility software. Okay, Windows, Unix, Linux are the names of what, operating systems. Okay, with command line interface, user have to what, type commands. I have already explained, you have to write these commands in what, in your this command prompt. Windows. Okay, Linux is a open source operating system. Okay, the answer of the Linux is open source operating system. See, if you have got book, you have to write this in book, or if you have not got book, write this in your copy. Okay, and your next homework is, you will make this diagram. Okay, you will make this diagram in your copy on white page. Okay, this diagram is very important, you will make this diagram. Okay, in your copy. So that was about today's class. In the next class, I will be giving you these question answers. Okay, I will be giving you. Thank you.